Can you hear the crunch? And it's so yummy. Let me take you to the memories down the lane today. As a child, I remembered once how this prasad came to my home on a Shivratri, and it became a memory for me because I used to wait for this all round the year. Well, it's a dessert all the way from Uttarakhand and it's called Singhal. So let's get started. For Singhal, we need 2 cups of Rava or suji, 1 full cup of sugar, we need 1 cup of yogurt, some green cardamom powder. It's time to add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now let's mix all of this well. It's time to add some water and whisk it well. Now we are going to mash banana and make sure that the banana you are using is a ripe banana. The purpose of adding banana is that it's going to help this dessert to ferment quickly. Now we will put some oil to fry the singhal. We need a cone to make singhal and we are going to pour the mixture in the cone. We will close the top. We are going to cut a tiny edge of the cone. Let it fry till it turns golden brown from both the sides. As you can see, the singhal is ready and I'm going to turn it into a plate. Well guys, I just can't resist myself, so I'm just going to take a bite. Can you hear the crunch? And it's so yummy. So finally, our singhal is ready to relish. And you know, the beauty of this dish is that you can enjoy this any time of the day. Well, do make this dish at home and let me know in comments how did it turn out. I am Chef Sherie Mehta. You are watching Indian Food Diaries on Get Curried. Signing off for now.